Imagine you wake up on a mysterious island, and you're not alone. There are 99 other people, each with brilliant minds like yours. The catch? Every single one of you has bright green eyes. But here's the twist. No one knows their own eye color, and there are no mirrors or reflections anywhere. You can see everyone else's eyes, but not your own. Now the island's mad dictator announces, if you figure out your own eye color, you can leave. But if you leave the wrong night or guess wrong, you're doomed. Oh, and you're not allowed to communicate about eye color at all. The only thing you know for sure is this: at least one person here has green eyes. So how do you escape? Let's break it down. Suppose there's only one person on the island. That person looks around, sees no one else, and realizes, wait, I must be the one with green eyes. So they leave on the first night. Now if there are two people, each sees just one green-eyed person. On the first night, neither leaves. They're both thinking maybe it's only the other guy. But when neither leaves, they both realize, if I didn't have green eyes, the other person would have left already. So both figure it out, and both leave on the second night. Things get wild as the numbers go up. If there are 3 green-eyed logicians, each one sees 2. They wait the first night, no one leaves. Second night, still, no one leaves. By the third night, the penny drops. If I didn't have green eyes, the other 2 I see would have left on night 2. Since they didn't, I must have green eyes too. So all 3 leave together on the third night. You see the pattern? For one green-eyed person it takes 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights. With 100 people they all wait, watching, counting down each night as no one leaves. And on the 100th night it finally clicks for everyone. And they all walk free together. This riddle isn't just about logic, it's about common knowledge. It's the difference between knowing a fact and knowing that everyone else knows it too. The dictator's announcement turns a private observation into public knowledge, and suddenly escape is possible. So, could you have solved the green-eyed riddle? Let me know in the comments. And if you love stretching your brain with puzzles like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.